Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3012th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Welcome back to the New Year, traders. Happy New Year. You know, today's Monday. We don't put out trade recommendations on the first day back from an insane holiday season like we've had. We let the crazies come in and go, rah! And then we come on. We show up Tuesday night, Monday night, Tuesday, and see what's going on once the fervor calms down. So, trading is risky. I want all of you to know that. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without stops. I want to mention something before we get involved in the video I want to show you. Welcome all new members to the OMNI trading recommendations. Many of you joined for the new year. Now here's what I want to tell you. You must contact Dano at livewithoscar.com. Contact Dano. You need to be set up with our Discord. You need to make sure that you're getting flash pop-ups. You need to know that you've got to have the site logged in, even if it's minimized, to get those flash pop-ups. There are things you need to be set up for so that you get all the trades on time. I will make one suggestion. It's actually a warning. There is no time. Do not hesitate when a flash update Omni trading signal comes out, new members. There's no time to pull up a chart and decide whether or not Omni's going to be right. That's not what you joined on for. You joined on to be like the trading monkey. Hit the button. When the buzzer says hit the button, hit the button. That's what you're supposed to do without interfering. If you do not hesitate and you do not interfere with these Omni signals, you will do well. We're here to help you. I'm in the trading room live. Dano is. There's so many of us. Neil will be there to help you. Mikey, there'll be us. There'll be traders there to help you and make sure you get these right, but no hesitation. And make sure you follow without interfering. Contact Dano at livewithoscar.com. Welcome all new members. I hope you have a great year trading the Omni recommendations. What else do we have in store for you? Well, this is interesting. I'm calling this segment The Power of Technical Analysis, traders, and you'll understand why. A round of applause and some bells for technical analysis. Oh my God, it's the best thing on the planet. I get it's got to be in the proper hands, but I promise you, there is no better roadmap. You want to see something amazing? I left a video, a couple of videos, the last few videos, then I took a little time off between Christmas and New Year's. In those videos, I left some information. I left some technical analysis that should happen, but I wasn't there to do much of the trading. We traded 1 or 2 days of it. We sidestepped it on purpose. However, the analysis told us what should happen next. It's an amazing thing that took place. The power of technical analysis is the most powerful roadmap on this planet. This segment is called A Testament to Technical Analysis, and here is why. The Omni turns red. In fact, let's remove a couple of bars. The Omni turns red right about here. And then those 2 bars that I just removed were there, and we did another video to say what should happen next. But the interesting thing is the Omni turns red right here. Where does it turn red? Right at the top of a trend line. Why? I promise you this. If you Omniacs come out to OmniCamp, I've got an OmniCamp happening in about 15 days, 10 days. If you Omniacs will come out to camp, you'll understand this statement. The Omni has zero to do. The Omni arrow has zero to do with this trend line. It's got nothing to do with it at all. Nothing. However, the Omni went bearish right there, and this is what happened. It went all the way down where? To the Omni. Once again, Otapma to the rescue, like here, and here, and here. Not only did it do that, it went right down to the bottom trend line, the green trend line, from the red to the green as it was scripted. That is an amazing piece of analysis. Now, I'm not saying, oh, look, I made this call. I'm saying, look at how well the analysis pointed us in this direction. Oh my God, you know what I mean? We caught a day or 2 of that move, very nice, but we didn't trade a lot of it. But oh my God, is analysis not crazily smart and well, you know, here's what I always say, make it simple. The Omni in technical analysis is like a dog with a really good sniffer. It just sniffs out what's coming next. Analysis is amazing for that reason. Let's look at something else. We had another amazing thing called Bitcoin, We made a call for Bitcoin to race up and hit the 126 mark. Look what happened. Technical analysis. Hits the 126 mark. Then I made a call for 80,200, which takes us from there to here. It got to 80,400. Sorry, kids, I was off by 2 digits. Then I said, now, according to my calculations, we'll be done with the crypto winter, my version of a crypto winter. We'll be done with that crypto winter right around the 3rd to 4th week of December this year. Look what happened. The end of the 4th week of December, and we come right out, it looks like we're coming right out of the crypto winter. Now I ask you, have you ever met anyone on this planet that can make calls like that in Bitcoin? I've got people around me that search the internet. I wish I knew someone that could make calls in Bitcoin, and I sit there going, they don't even know I exist. They sit right next to me. They don't know I'm here. I've never seen anything like it. For you traders who follow what's going on, is that not amazing? A round of applause for that. And it looks like we're coming out of the winter. That was all analysis I used to come up with the 126,000 target, the 80,200 drop, and then we start to come out right around now of the crypto winter. And all it did was mark time. All it did was mark time, as I mentioned, and it came right out. Looks like, I don't know if it'll continue, but right there, looks like it's coming out of the crypto winter, the Bitcoin winter. Now that is an amazing piece of analysis, kids. Analysis is fantastic. Look what else we were able to ascertain, if you will, from the analysis. Remember we talked about Bitcoin, we went from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and I said, well, look, Ethereum got past this do or die level, got out of the big, ugly red channel, came up, tested the channel. I did videos about this, if you remember. And boom, now we have a new channel going in the proper direction. Channels are shifting. Well, look now. We're going in the proper direction. All of this was analysis that pointed out every bit of this. It's an amazing thing. What else do we have out there? Oh, check this out. I think it's sitting here. The OMNI trading token, OMNIX around the world. You guys are just fantastic. Love you guys for what you're doing. Look at what we've had. You notice since we started this coin back here in September, we had a bull flag, a breakout, a bull flag, a breakout, another bull flag. But the whole thing's gone up, basically, since we started our coin. And I expect we break out of this bull flag, as you see it starting to go, and higher will go. Now get this. You know, the OMNI trading token was not one of those, what they call shit coins. I hate saying those words. It wasn't one of those crap coins that you make out of nothingness. You make from zero money. You create it. It's worth nothing when you create it. But then you sell it to others. It goes up in value and you've made money. This is not one of those. Every dime of a token that was made of OMNI trading was made by first purchasing Solana at full price and converting Solana into an OMNI token. So it's real and it's backed by Solana. Now let's think about that for a moment. The OMNI token's got a crowd around the world that has been buying, and I promise you there's a lot more OMNIX still getting in. So many of them got caught up this year in the gauntlet of Coinbase. Once you get your account open, then you got a 3-day hold, then you get a 7-day hold. It takes about 3 weeks to get past that. We've got a lot of OMNIX just starting to get past that. That will come in the OMNI this year. We are doing a huge advertising campaign. In fact, right after I'm done with this video, I'm supposed to do a Zoom with a huge company that promotes YouTube and promotes crypto and promotes the OMNI trading and we're going to build this thing a lot bigger, get a lot more people in. But here's the point behind this. If you note, if we took a trend line, we basically have been going up on this OMNI token. So, don't know what happened there, kids. I think it's gone. Yeah, that whole page is gone. I can't get back to it. Anyway, you know what? We'll do a quick, while you guys are watching, let's see if I can just find it. Maybe we could just pull it up. This is all happening live, kids. No trickery here. Let's see if we can get this back. Come on, OMNI, come back to us. Is that chart still ready to go? Oh, yes, very nice. All right. No big deal. This is live. We let things happen. So check this out. Here's what I was trying to show you. If you notice, the OMNI token has basically gone up since we created it, right? Now, it has its flags and nothing goes straight up, but it's gone in that direction and it's built on Solana, right? Well, watch this. This is the price of Solana. Solana has gone down. This is the day we made the OMNI trading token. Solana has gone down consistently, dramatically since we made the OMNI token. So the Solana is going this way. The OMNI token instead was going that way. Now, here's a reason for this. Now Solana is starting to go back up a little. Do you realize that the OMNI token is built in Solana? As Solana moves up, the OMNI token has to go up. If nobody bought another token, it has to go up. It's built in Solana. Solana spent that whole time going down while OMNI went up. Now Solana's going up. Guess what happens next, kids? This is a fantastic thing. If you're not long OMNI token, get yourselves long OMNI token. It's doing really well. You can buy it right here at pump.fun. That's where I spend my time hosting videos and stuff like that. So you can go to pump.fun and buy the OMNI trading token. I promise you it's going to be a great year. Make sure you get yourselves long that. What else is happening out there, kids? Check this out. The power of technical analysis. Silver. We left off with silver, and what I gave you as information was this. We're here. If silver holds right here, we're good to go. If it breaks, we're going to drop down and possibly come back into this channel. It's exactly what I told you guys in the last video. Well, watch this. Forget about this channel. Watch this. I'm going to add the bars back in from that video. Look what silver did. Let me blow that up for you. Look what silver did. It held right there. We're at a perfect technical analysis point. The point I showed you before it held. And look what happened. Boom, 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 heading right back. Now, I mentioned that silver and gold were creatures of the channels, right? Mentioned that in that last video. Spent a bunch of time showing you that they're creatures of channels. Well, here's what the gold did. A creature of the channel formation. It didn't quite get to the bottom, but it almost did. And started to head right back up again. So, nope, Santa Rally's gone. Those days are over. We're back to work. So, the power of technical analysis, it gets better. Watch this. Check this out. You're going to love this. Remember Tesla? Video. Told everybody, when we see a double top, we sell a double top. However, Tesla is right here. It's just trying to get above. Let it tell you. If it doesn't get above tomorrow, you could go short, and where will it go? If you go short, and this is what I told you in this last video via technical analysis, it will come back down to the OMNI average. That's what we expect. So, if you sell that double top, expect it to come back down to the OMNI average. That's what was in the video a week ago. And this, my friends, is what happened. Oh my God, look at that. Another round of applause, no? Is technical analysis not crazily accurate? That is about the best that you can possibly do when you don't know what's going to happen next. What more of a roadmap could you have expected there? We called exactly this. Let it get down to about there, because it's when you see a double top, you sell one. But this has been holding for the entire life this year and last year of Tesla. Why not expect it to hold again? Great analysis there. Look what else we can find. Look at what the transportation average did. A bull flag means that you should what? Break out towards the upside, right? Well, here's your bull flag, and boom, it looks like it's breaking out towards the upside already. Let's see what we can do with this little trend line right here. Get off the extension. Thank you very much. And we'll make it a little fatter so we can see what I'm pointing out. Boom, let's go. So, it did what it's supposed to do. Broke out towards the upside. So far, so good. Fantastic analysis, right? Now again, I have no crystal ball. I am calling pure technical analysis, the same thing that you can call, the same things you'll learn here at the OMNI Trading Academy, and what I will teach you if you ever show up at one of my OMNI camps. So, let's go back here and remember something. There is nothing more powerful than technical analysis, kids. A testament to the power of technical analysis. That is my video to you. I hope this helps. And let's see if you decide to come around the OMNI Trading Academy and allow me to teach you how to be a much better analyst. Let's see if that helps you with your trading in the future. Welcome all new members. Make sure you contact Dano. And remember, kids, stop soaring. Emotions are rock and roll traders. Thank you for everything you do. Thanks for tuning in. Please leave your comments below. I will see you all at Live with Oscar.